Hey, good evening, everyone. Well, evening if you're in Asia. Good morning if you're out on the east coast of the U.S. It is about 9:15 there, and I'm finally doing one of these, catching the opening of the stock market, which is what we are going to look at today. I'm really looking forward in seeing how Amazon stock opens with it up over $200 on earnings. And of course, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin coming to you from Denpasar Airport in Bali, Indonesia. It is time to head off to the Philippines. I will not be spending any time in Manila. I am going through the Philippines. I will stay in the Philippines for a couple of days, but it will not be in Manila. I'll be back in Manila this summer, and I'll probably do a meetup or two. We will see. Haven't been to the Philippines in 10 years, so really looking forward to going back there and spending a little bit of time. I may or may not disclose my location, but there'll be a little surprise for you in a couple of days when I get there eventually. All right, guys, flight's boarding soon, as you know. So let's go to the charts, take a look and see what's going on. I am keeping an eye on. Whoa, this number just went up by 1,000 people. I am keeping an eye on the coronavirus and seeing what's going on there. Here in Bali, Indonesia, I would say 90% of the people are wearing masks as they walk through the airport. Most of the employees are wearing masks. I am in an airport lounge, and all the employees here are wearing masks. So yeah, people are taking this very, very seriously. I am keeping an eye on the Philippines, where I will be. Still only one reported case there so far. After the Philippines, I will be heading off to LA, where I will be speaking at a meetup, and I'll tweet it out. The meetup will be on the evening of the 5th. All right, let's talk about the price. Let's go back to the weekly chart. We pulled back a little bit from my video this morning. This morning, we were pretty much at the top of the market. We pulled back a little bit. That does not change the structure of the weekly chart yet. This will change the structure of the weekly chart if we pull back more than halfway down the candle. As long as we are closing near the top half of the candle, the structure of the chart is not changing. Okay, so still a green 4 on its way to a 9 potentially. I do think there is significant resistance right here around the 10,000 mark. If it even gets there, we will all find out together. Before I move on to the daily chart, if you like these videos, please support via affiliate codes. Added a few new ones recently. We have 3 commas for social trading, travel by bit, if you want to buy your flights with Bitcoin, and Embly, if you are looking for a debit card without a shitcoin scam token like Monaco or 10x cards. So Embly is your choice for a legal, legitimate debit card. Okay, if you're trading, check out the exchanges. If you're charting, check out TradingView. And if you want to protect yourself, please check out TorGuard. Unconfiscatable is up on sale. Thank you to the sponsors that are sponsoring this year's event. Oh, I need to refresh this. We added Cold Card and let's see. But in any case, taking forever. Since I am leaving Bali, Indonesia, we do have the Financial Summit here, November 1 to 7. We also have the Financial Summit in Dominican Republic, 19 to 25. Check out the description of the Financial Summit and see if the event is right for you. Understanding Bitcoin is coming back to Malta, May 28 to 31. Check out the videos from last year. They were absolutely incredible. Page has loaded. And we have everything still loaded. A little slow internet here at the airports. All right, let's go to the daily chart. The daily chart today has pulled back quite nicely. I did this video early this morning in Indonesia, and the candle was just getting started. There was on a daily time frame, there was no reason to assume this was going to be a red candle, but a red candle it is. Now, where do I think the pullback can take Bitcoin? Well, I'm going to take this arrow, I'm going to slide it over a little bit. And if this is a legitimate pullback, where would I consider the pullback to end? Well, probably somewhere over here. Let me make this arrow red. So that would be the pullback. We would break the count to a 9, and we can then start a new count. But right now, until the count breaks, and the count could break tomorrow, because if tomorrow we're sitting at current prices, we will be below the 2 candle, and that breaks the count. But right now, we're still on a 5 of 9, and we can still rebound to the upside. The overall picture of the daily chart is still bullish. Even if we are pulling back, there is a good level of support right here at 8,900. So 8,900 is a potential buying opportunity for Bitcoin, because the weekly chart is still pretty damn bullish. Unconfiscatable has reloaded, but I think I need to restart the page completely. But check it out. We have amazing speakers. It is it is the most predominant Bitcoin maximalist conference on the planet, basically. Every speaker is approved by me, and if you're not a Bitcoin supporter, if you're a shitcoin supporter, you will not be able to speak at this conference. It really is that simple sometimes. All right, the 12-hour chart is not looking great. This is not my favorite structure, but it's just consolidating near the highs. Oh, sorry guys, I can't wait to just go to pass out on this flight. It's past 10 p.m. here in Bali. The flight is delayed. Welcome to flying. But my flight is a little bit delayed. It's gonna take off somewhere close to midnight. GBTC is pumping. We're open in 10 minutes. We'll see where GBTC is. Look at the premium. The premium has definitely went back up to 26. The premium was looking very nice at when it went down to 10. Was definitely a good opportunity to buy based on the premium. I never even got a chance to open my retirement account, this is why I'm not going to be traveling in 2021, and I will be trading in 2021. Will I still be on YouTube in 2021? We will see. It depends how serious I want to take my trading. I tend to take my trading very serious. So do I really want to make that public? We'll find out. We'll see. We'll see. It's easy to do YouTube while traveling. If I do YouTube and YouTube gets in the way of my actual trading and profits, I'm not gonna. YouTube's gonna have to go. We'll find out. Depends on how I'm feeling going into 2021. But enjoy another year. We'll see how that goes. The notification service should be up and running. We're building out the notification service mostly so I can use it for my trading. I'll still do a video on like the weekends or something. All right, stock market opens in 8 minutes, and I'm going to be taking a look at Amazon when it does. Hey, the data bug was corrected. That's good to know. Look at the hashing power. The hashing power has just reached a new all-time high. Not surprising considering the price is, rising. So of course the hashing power will also rise with it. The shitcoins are, hey, So the 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 fake of the fake Bitcoin is, still doing pretty well, but it is gonna not outperform Bitcoin over the long term. Neither will Binance, by the way. The Binance scam token will also be below uh, Bitcoin in the near future. Gold, look at gold. Look at the gold topping on nines each of the last. This is the daily chart of gold. Here's a double nine, and here's another nine. Beautiful tops in gold on daily nines. Oh, tired guy, sorry about that. Oil is going down, and I'm not surprised. I'm generally a bear on oil. I believe that oil will go below $20 in the very near future, and I am a believer of renewable energy. I believe renewable energy will just absolutely destroy the price of oil. S&P futures, again, the market opens very, very soon. We got 6 minutes to go. I'll be with you for maybe the first 10 minutes. I really want to see how Amazon trades at the open. Here is SPX weekly. Here is SPX daily. The daily SPX, beautifully called, the top was called by the sequential 9 on the setup. Absolute textbook style. Yeah, I'm not sure I can wait for the stock market to open. I may just fall asleep on this chair before that happens. Let me get your live chat. Maybe there'll be something there. Yeah, it's really irrelevant to me if people see my trades or not. I'm not worried about my trading. Um, I'm not worried about losing money in markets trading. That's not my concern. Is it possible that I spend an entire year trading and I lose money? Absolutely possible. Is it going to change my life? No, it won't. Because I understand risk management, which a lot of you don't. What do you think about the 9 on a 3-day chart? I don't know. I haven't looked at a 3-day chart in a long time. Here's the daily chart. I got too many arrows on a daily chart. Let me look at the weekly chart. I'm gonna take off the annotations and I'm gonna turn this to a 3-day chart and see what it looks like. I don't really care about the 3-day chart. There's no perfected 9 on a 3-day chart. It's a non-perfected 9, and we already had a 1 and a 2. So, and we broke setup trend. So there's no opinion. It's the 2 did not go above a 1, so it's leaning bullish, but it's not fully bullish. By the way, when I do go back to trading, it's not going to be trading shitcoins. That's not what my expertise is. My expertise is traditional stock market and technical analysis in general. I'm going to trade the assets that I know can make me money. They'll make me a lot less money than profitably trading the casino of shitcoins, but I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to be trading traditional markets and helping people manage their retirement accounts because that's just more important. Do you have an opinion on why the TD works? Not really. You can just, Google it. I mean, you don't need my opinion. Just Google why it works. Is it quantifying the momentum natural? Yeah, it's a momentum indicator. And that's why I like it, because it doesn't tell you what, it gives me a time element to trading. It's possible that it's self-fulfilling, right? But originally it was discovered as as non-self-fulfilling. Maybe now it is. Someone says management of retirement account going to cash. Why? I would be almost fully invested in the S&P 500 right now. There's no reason to go into cash. What is it about? I don't understand why people think that Bitcoin should be making new all-time highs every day, but the stock market needs to be making new all-time lows every day. It really baffles my mind. The exact same economic principles that make Bitcoin go to new all-time highs, that same principle should be making the S&P 500 make new all-time highs. I just don't understand this, libertarian mentality that the stock market needs to always be crashing and the Bitcoin needs to always be rising. It's just like insane, right? The stock market has been making new all-time highs for 2 years, and Bitcoin is still down 50%. Just think about that, right? Like, if you moved your money from Bitcoin into the S&P 500 when Bitcoin topped in 2019, this is the daily chart. Here's the weekly chart, right? Let's look at where the S&P 500 was in December of 2018. So right here. So Bitcoin topped right here, mid-December. So S&P 500. So during that time, since the top in Bitcoin, S&P 500 is up 20%, and Bitcoin is down 50%, right? I don't understand why people have this ridiculous notion that the S&P 500 is imminently going to crash when it literally had a new all-time high last week. Like, in what universe are you living? I've been saying this every day since my first YouTube video back in like 2015 of how the stock market is going to go up and up and up and up. And that was 2015. Like here somewhere. Go back to the old World Crypto Network videos. It was me, it was Theo Goodman, it was George Salmon, and I was a huge S&P 500 bull back then. Still am. Why? Why would I stop right now? We had one bad day. One bad day. You guys are insane. You guys are insane. Hey, stock market is open. Let's go look at Amazon. And there it is. Would I be day trading today's candle? Maybe. Let me see what's going on I'll use a 5-minute chart. It's the first 5 minutes. I guess we can look at a 1-minute chart. So the tone Vays rule is never trade the first 30 minutes of market open, but we're going to use sequential and we're going to put on a theoretical trade. I trust sequential. If you went long, on a green 2, a green 3 going up above a green 2. Just basic rules of sequential. Where would I set the stop loss? Let me make this line green. All right, where's my... Oh, I'm drawing a new line. It's pulling back. I don't like to see new lows. There's a new low. There's a reason why I don't trade the first 30 minutes of market open, at least 15, usually 30, because I love trading the 10 a.m. reversal, and the 10 a.m. reversal's coming. The problem is I won't be here streaming at the 10 a.m. reversal. It's 9:35 right now. There's no way Amazon is going to close this gap. So it's, the early people are taking their profit, but probably around 10 a.m. If Amazon continues to fall into 10 a.m., there will certainly be a reversal. Looks like the early sell-off is over. Maybe not. I was never a great day trader, and when I was using 10-minute charts. We're just using a 1-minute chart for demonstration purposes. I want to see if we can get above this line with a green 2 above a green 1. And then I become very, very bullish for even more upside. But now you have a red 2 going below a red 3. And now I'm expecting this pullback to continue into 10 a.m. I still wouldn't be short Amazon. Now, I don't trade the first 15 minutes. That was a green 2, slightly going up above a green 2. I also wouldn't be using sequential in this case. And this is a red 2 going below a red 1. Let's see what gives. Is your probability that Bitcoin breaks below 6.4K still 55 to 60% or slightly less? It's still the same. Until Bitcoin goes above 10,000 or the halving. So my probability of Bitcoin going below 6.4K is still slightly above 50%. Am I wearing a mask? No, I'm not wearing a mask, guys. I'm gonna take my chances. Do I watch WWE? No. The last time I watched WWE wasn't WWE, it was WWF. All right. Ooh. If this makes it to a 9, even though it's a 1-minute chart, that'd be interesting. I think I gotta call it a day, guys. Hey, please support by using the affiliate links. Come to Unconfiscatable, the financial summits, DR or Bali, and understanding Bitcoin in Malta, May 28 to 31. Tickets go on sale right after Unconfiscatable, guys, like a day or two later. One last glance at the Bitcoin daily, still pulling back a little bit. Oh, Amazon, there it is. I am very interested in a green 2 above a green 1. Next minute, and we have a clean stop loss. Let's see. Maybe I'll stay with you for 5 more minutes. Let's see how this trade goes. Well, there's no trade yet. We didn't get a green 1 even. Need a green 2 above a green 1. That's not even a green 1 yet. Nope, no trade. But there could be another trade if a 9 comes. It's actually even better. I'll wait 2 more minutes. I'll see how that 9 plays out. All right, here it comes. 1 more minute. Wait for the 9. In a perfect world, a 9 is a reversal candle. And then I would look to go long off that 9 if I have a stop loss that makes sense. See, if you traded sequential, there's the 9. I'm not rushing in yet. I want to see how this candle looks like. See, if you traded straight sequential here, you would buy here, and that was a losing trade. But for the same logic, you would go short here, and that was a much better winning trade. And that trade would be you to be taking profit now. So I need a reversal candle in order to look for a long trade. Right now, this can still keep going down. Oh, there it is. Signs of reversal. The 1-minute chart is also not ideal. So I would be buying. Yep, there it is. Yep, I'm in. I'd buy it. I wouldn't even wait for the candle to end. I'm in, I'm long. Stop loss right below that candle. Boom, there's your reversal candle on the 9. So that's what I was looking for, a reversal of the 9. That was quick. The 1 minute chart is not even something I'm interested in trading, but this is educational purposes before I fall asleep in this chair. And there it goes. I just need this candle to end. And then I'm setting a break-even stop loss, and I'm just gonna let it ride. All right, 10 seconds to go. If I see a green 2 above a green 1, boom, there it is. There it goes. All right, I'm setting a break-even stop loss. I'm not gonna let this trade lose me money. I have a break-even stop loss now on this trade. So you just gotta stay patient. You gotta wait for those 9s. That's why I like the sequential indicator. And I'm not even a day trader. I mean, day trading could be, stressful, annoying. You're always watching the market. I prefer swing trading. Though we are gonna have a competition at the next financial summit. And it will be a day trading competition. All right, I'd set the stop loss over, I'd raise it up. Is that my green 2 above a green 1? Almost tempted to double down. Right there, you can double down. I won't, but if this candle is positive, raise my stop loss right there below the prior candle's low. And that's how you can make money, day trading. It's a lot harder than this, but probably hear in my voice how exhausted I am. And this was not that difficult to try and time. It's not a, huge trade, but it's a, but it's a, what do we got? 0.5% in 3 minutes. It's not bad. Yep, now my stop loss is below this candle. If it hits it, it hits it, I think this is gonna go back to the open. It's got a break setup trend, and then it'll really take off to the upside. By the way, you don't have to sell everything if it's the stop loss. You can sell half, because then you're in profit, and then you leave the other half at break even, and then you can let it ride for months, weeks, whatever, as long as it keeps going up. You got nothing to lose at that point, right? Boom, nice pop. Excellent. I'm raising my stop loss. So this is how I would be day trading the 1 minute candles on Amazon. Stayed patient, waited for that 9. Should probably check when my flight's boarding. I actually want this trade to close, but if it keeps pumping, why would I close it? I'll take profit on the 9. How about that? I guess I gotta be here 5 more minutes. I have to check my flight, guys. I think I gotta go. Actually, I do have to go. Sorry, guys. Raise my stop loss to right there, and the trade's over. Bye, y'all.